It's crazy. Hello, officers. How y'all doing? Can I get a name and badge number, please?
Sure, what's your name?
Can I get a name and badge number,
I'm
sir?
Officer Scott, 2395.
And you, sir?
Officer Miller, 1774.
Okay.
How do you know you get your badge number? Because when I went up to open records today, and I requested the records based on the badge numbers that they gave me, which I have recorded and you heard yourself. One gave, I believe Scott gave me 2395, and Miller gave me 1774. How do you know you get your badge number?
It's crazy. Hello, officers. How y'all doing? Can I get a name and badge number, please?
Sure, what's your name?
Can I get a name and badge number,
I'm
sir?
Officer Scott, 2395.
And you, sir?
Officer Miller, 1774.
Okay. And she said, I'm going to call the police. And then she called and made a false report. I recorded her, and I'm saying, man, why would you make a false report saying that I'm threatening someone?
I mean, she might have felt threatened, not that you necessarily were making any direct threats, but somebody can still feel threatened if something else is going on. But again,
Yeah.
I don't know what was happening when I wasn't here, but
So now what I'm going to do is just wait till Monday and go back and talk to the postal inspector and all of that. I committed a
you're being
crime.
accused of threatening her, okay? That's a
Sir,
crime.
committed a
You're being
crime.
accused of threatening her, okay? That's a
Sir,
crime.
she felt threatened that was a crime.
I'm gonna look into all of that. I'm gonna look into all of that.
I'm asking you the law right now. Is someone
sir,
feeling threatened a crime?
Listen, we're not gonna go back and forth about
See,
this.
that's
Let me look into
crazy,
let me
bro.
look at-
You
let me look
enforce
into-
the law. If I'm a citizen, right?
All right. Have a
And
good
I'm
day. I got
asking
your
you
phone
about the
number.
law, so I
Have a
won't
good
go
day.
break
I'll
the
get in contact
law.
with you tomorrow, okay?
I'm recording this, sir.
All right, good. Have a good day.
You swore an oath to uphold the Constitution as well.
Said what I had to, it's an audit, I don't see any reason why it can't be. Some people are not aware of the First Amendment audit rights. They
December 2nd, 2016. Effective December 2nd, 2016. Reviewed, approved by Assistant Chief Stephen Johnson. Date March 1st, 2023. Action Amends General Order 2014-54, August 1st, 2014. WILEAG Standard S 8.1.2. 2, 11.1.6, 11.1.7, 11.2.1. 755.00 Purpose. This policy provides police members with guidance for dealing with situations in which they are being recorded, to include photographing, video recording, audio recording, or both, by members of the public, including media representatives. 755.05 Policy. The public, including media representatives, have an unambiguous First Amendment right to record police officers.
said what I had to, it's an audit, I don't see any reason why it can't be. Some people are not aware of the First Amendment audit rights. They
In public places, as long as their actions do not interfere with an officer's duties or the safety of officers or others. Capturing of visual images, audio, or both, by means of a camera, video camera, cell phone, audio recorder, or other device. B. Media. The storage source for visual or audio recordings, whether by film, analog, or digital means. 755.15 Procedures WILEAG 8.1.2, 11.1.6, 11.1.7, 11.2.1. A. Persons who are lawfully in public spaces or locations where they have a legal right to be present, such as their home, place of business, or the common areas of public and private facilities and buildings, have a First Amendment right to record things in plain sight or hearing, to include police activity.
said what I had to, it's an audit, I don't see any reason why it can't be. Some people are not aware of the First Amendment audit rights.
Right?
Do you have an ID on you?
Sir, I haven't committed a
You're being
crime.
accused of threatening her, okay? That's a
Sir.
crime.
Sir, I haven't committed a crime, sir.
Being accused of one.
Does she have a sworn statement?
You
Doesn't need a
can't
sworn
record
statement.
here, so you have to turn it off.
I can't record?
Yep. You have to make a request prior.
Sir, he just admitted that he knew it was a First Amendment right. Sir, I have my.
Yeah, but this is a government bill. I'm reading it right here. You have to have a request for filming and still photography.
Sir,
for postal
I have the
services.
Constitution right here. You swore an oath to. You don't care about
Rules
this?
and regulations for governing conduct on postal service property.
Okay,
for
I'll.
purposes may be
I'm,
taken in
so
exercise.
you're making me leave under threat of arrest? Are you recording?
You're not able to record.
I'm just asking you under threat of arrest.
You're not able to.
You're not
Okay.
able to record here and you're recording, so
Okay.
you need to leave.
All right.
Okay.
You're making me leave under threat of arrest. I got it on record. And
Good
you,
day.
thank you.
Say hi to the postal inspector.
I will.
Okay.
That's yeah, that y'all violated my rights and the Constitution. Yep. Y'all see what that is? Violation of rights under color of law.